Hello, I'm Kent Vincent, author of Manufacturing and Logistics 2.1, and I'm here to thank you for deciding to take a look at my book that outlines what small to mid-sized manufacturing and logistic firms in North America need to be doing and the new pathways they need to be taking as we get through this tentative recovery coming out of a fairly difficult decade, and how to proceed towards achieving new forms of top line and bottom line growth. Now, back in the 80s and 90s and even early 2000s, we had a slightly different challenge. Yes, the manufacturing space was shrinking a bit, and there was a little bit of a zero-sum game, at least in our perceptions, going on as to the growth of the services sector as opposed to the production sector where we actually made tangible things. But we got through that. We learned a little bit about offshore methods. We coped with the trend towards outsourcing, and we adopted some new methods and found new appreciation for some of the North American consultants and experts who were coaching folks abroad. And some of our key sectors like automotive learned some lessons and recaptured some initiative there. Now, fast forward to the decade just completed, we had a couple of economic downturns, and I do want to emphasize a couple because we tend to forget that. There were two of them back to back, and we also had a confusing array of two-word methodologies: lean manufacturing, factory physics, several 3 and 4 letter acronyms to go along with it: VAVE, TOC, QRM, and so forth. So we had the perfect storm of confusion running right up against, in a deadly embrace, all the forms of inertia and standing still that we were starting to encounter in the rough economy. And the combination of those two things were pretty deadly in terms of moving forward. Fast forward some more, and we are coming out of this economically challenging period. Not to say we didn't use it as an excuse, but we're moving forward. We have to find out what things we need to do to get us back on the right road. I will take you through that step by step, simplify, instill some confidence, and clean out the clutter so that all small to mid-size firms can move forward with confidence and enthusiasm. So we'll see you on the other side, inside the covers of my book. Thanks.